What if gossip isn't just careless talk, but a quiet way we harm people made in God's image? Gossip feels small, a comment, a story, a shared concern, but Scripture sees deeper. A perverse person stirs up conflict, and a gossip separates close friends. Proverbs 16:28. Every whispered word carries spiritual weight. Those who slander secretly, I will put to silence. Psalm 101:5. Gossip fractures trust and grieves the heart of God. The gospel calls us higher. Speak the truth in love. Ephesians 4:15. Not truth without love, not love without truth. Choose silence over sin. Choose love over words.